Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, update iOS because system-level optimizations matter. Once updated, charge to around 80% and unplug. This reduces stress on the battery and slows chemical wear. Make sure low power mode is on to cut background activity, and turn off background app refresh for heavy apps. This lowers charge cycles. These steps set a stable baseline. They immediately reduce load while you proceed into deeper settings and management. Keep the device cool. Temperature affects capacity. Once done with initial prep, use optimized battery charging so the phone learns your routine and delays hitting 100% until you need it. Make sure to avoid exposing the phone to heat. High temps accelerate degradation, so remove thick cases during fast charging. Aim to keep daily charge between 20% and 80% because shallow cycles reduce wear. Also, prefer slower chargers or original adapters when possible. They produce less thermal stress. These practices together slow capacity loss over months and years. To finish, perform one controlled full cycle once a month. Charge to 100%, then discharge to about 20% to recalibrate the battery meter. This keeps reporting accurate. Make sure to check settings, battery health, and monitor the maximum capacity percent and any peak performance messages. If you see sudden drops or erratic percentage jumps, restart the phone and, if needed, reset settings, because software glitches can misreport health. If problems persist, seek Apple Diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.